Let's be honest, most of us are not trying to live in a Pinterest perfect house. We just want to walk through our space without tripping over things, feeling overwhelmed, or silently fuming at the mess. But here's what happens for a lot of working parents: you clean something, and 5 minutes later, it's back. You pick up, and no one else follows. You tidy, but it never stays that way. And after a while, you feel like you're either constantly cleaning or totally giving up. There's a better way. Let me introduce you to the 3 item reset, a tiny habit that helps you reclaim your environment without exhausting yourself. The problem: all or nothing cleaning mindset. Here's what we tell ourselves: if I can't clean the whole kitchen, why bother? If the playroom is trashed, what's the point of folding laundry? If I'm too tired to do it right, I won't do it at all. And that belief, it keeps us stuck in clutter cycles, either in full cleaning mode or complete avoidance. That's not failure, that's overwhelm. And overwhelm doesn't need a bigger cleaning checklist, it needs a smaller win. The fix: the 3 item reset. This habit is simple and it works. Whenever you feel the mess getting loud, pick up just 3 items. That's it. Put them away, fold them, move them, wipe them, then pause. If you're done, stop. If you've got energy, keep going. But either way, you win because you didn't spiral. You didn't try to fix everything. You just reset your space without draining yourself. How to use it in real life. The 3 item reset works best when you anchor it to common moments. After the kids go to bed, after dinner, before you leave the house, while brushing your teeth, right before bedtime, it becomes part of your rhythm, like a background habit that keeps things from tipping too far. And over time, these tiny resets compound. Educator insight: environment shapes behavior. As an educator and time coach, one thing I teach often is this: don't wait for motivation, create structure that leads you. And your physical space is part of that structure. The 3 item reset reduces visual chaos, which reduces cognitive load, which makes it easier to focus, stay regulated, and show up as the version of you that's not always flustered. It's not about cleaning, it's about creating calm, 3 objects at a time. Want more nervous system friendly time fixes? Inside my full course, Time Mastery for Working Parents, I go deeper into micro habits that actually stick, visual clutter systems, family friendly routines, time blocks that don't backfire, boundaries without guilt, weekly rhythms that reduce reactivity, 12 weeks, just 10 minutes a day. Self paced employer reimbursement form included. Check it out here. Moms, study, habits.com, time, mastery, course, parents. Your takeaway today: next time your house feels like it's swallowing you whole, don't clean the whole thing. Don't make a plan. Don't wait for motivation. Just do a 3 item reset. Pick up 3 things, put them where they belong, breathe. Then ask, do I have energy for 3 more? Or am I done? Either answer is valid because you interrupted the overwhelm, and that's mastery. You've got this.